Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Bye bye.
After this কিবা এটা আৰু ক্লাস আছে নে নাই?
Silent कोई कर दिया silent कोई कर दे रहा
Good afternoon to all of you.
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Let us start with FA practicals. Okay. I want to take your first aid practical. Okay. First aid practical, first aid kit. We finished. First aid over, right? That day. Whole name. First aid kit. So today we will start with a new unit. Okay, for practicals. Okay. Write down dressing and bandaging. Please turn on your videos, all of you, so that I can know whether you are attentive in the class or not. Whatever you are writing, I am not able to know unless you turn on your videos. Videos to turn on, kora. Turn on your videos, please, for starting the class. And write down dressing and bandaging. Dressing and bandaging. Dressing and bandaging. Pratham, write down dressing. The topic is dressing and bandaging. We will start with dressing. DRESSING. Please don't talk. Whosoever voice is unmuted, you please don't talk. Dressings. Dressing is protective covering applied to the wound. Dressing is protective covering. Dressing is protective covering. COVERING. Dressing is protective covering applied to the wound. Applied to the wound. 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 Darshana, what is wound? Wound mane? Wound mane wound. WOUND. Wound mane ki? Surojit?
Kopa.
Wound mane? Ha? Kwa? Nobody knows what is wound. WOUND wound.
Yes, injury. Maybe injury means.
Yes. Any kind of cut, injury, any type of ga. Okay, all these are wound. So dressing is protective covering applied to the wound. WOUND wound. 2. Tarpisot eta A likha. Horu A. Write small letter A. Write down control bleeding. Number A, control bleeding. Control, CONTROL, control bleeding. BLEEDING. For controlling bleeding, we used to put dressings, okay? Control bleeding. Number B, likha, prevent infection. Number B, prevent infection. Number B, prevent infection. INFECTION, prevent infection. Number C, absorb any discharge. Absorb any discharge. Discharge can be in the form of fluid. Discharge can be in the form of blood, semen, fluid, any kind of discharge, okay? Absorb any discharge. DISCHARG. Number next, A, B, C, D, E. E number likha. Avoid further injury. Please mute yourselves. Avoid further injury.
Ma'am. Hello. Ma'am. Ma'am, D number hobo. Ma'am, absorb any discharge. Eto C number. Etia D hobo.
Acha, okay. Number D likha. Avoid further injury. Number D. Avoid E लिखा assist in healing. Assist in healing. Healing of the wound. Okay. Wound to घाटो भालो बकरने. Assist in healing. 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 Assist in healing. Kotha pati asa Ishan, Isha Bani. Please mute yourselves. If you're unmute, please don't talk. Okay. Assist in healing. Then you write types of dressing. Types of dressing likha. Types of dressing. Why are you talking? If you talk, if I talk, what will happen? It will collide. Don't talk. Otherwise, you mute yourself. Types of dressing. Likha number 1, adhesive dressing. Number 1 likha adhesive dressing. ADHESIVE. Adhesive dressing. ADHESIVE. Adhesive dressing. Then you write these sterile dressings. TSC. These sterile dressings. Sterile means clean. Okay. These sterile dressings consist of a pad. These sterile dressings consist of a pad, PAD pad, consist of a pad of absorbent gauze, absorbent, 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 absorbent gauze, GAUZE, gauze. Absorbent gauze of of cellulose, 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 held in place, HELD, held in place by a layer of adhesive material. Held in place by a layer of adhesive material. They are of different sizes and shapes. They are of different sizes and shapes. They are of different sizes and shape. Okay. And are supplied in paper or plastic covers. And are supplied in paper or plastic covers. And are supplied in paper or plastic, PLASTIC, plastic covers, COVERS covers. Then write down method of application of adhesive dressing. Method, METHOD, method of application. Method of application of adhesive dressing. Underline it. Underline kora, method of application of adhesive dressing. Then number 1, remove the outer wrapping. Remove the outer wrapping, WRAPPING. Remove the outer wrapping, WRAPPING. Outer wrapping, and hold the dressing. And hold the dressing, DRESSING. And hold the dressing, comma, gauze side down. Gauze, GAUZE, gauze side down. You know what is a gauze, right? I have already shown you in your practicals. I have already shown you gauze. Okay. So what you have to do before applying the bandage, first of all, you will have to peel out the wrapping. Okay, you have to peel out the wrapping and then that will hold the dressing. Okay, and it should be from upside to down. So the gauze should move from upwards to downwards. You will have to tear it in the middle. Okay. Number 2 is peel back and expose the gauze. Peel back, PEEL, peel. Peel back, BACK back, Peel back and expose the gauze. Peel back and expose the gauze and place the pad onto the wound. And place the pad onto the wound. W-O-U-N-D, wound. Peel back and expose the gauze and place the pad onto the wound. All this I will give you pictures, okay? Add pictures assay. So all these pictures I will give you. You will have to draw the pictures in your practical copies. Okay, do not forget. Once you come to class, I will check your practical copies. A2 notes too, you have to write. Episode, I will give you the pictures, A2 pictures, you will have to draw in your practical copies. Episode number 3. Once you draw the pictures, the lines will be clear to you. What I'm saying, you will be able to understand by seeing the pictures more clearly. Okay. Number 3, press the ends and edges down. Press the ends, E-N-D-S, ends. Press the ends and the edges down. Press the ends and the edges down. Next you write non-adhesive dressing. Method of application of non-adhesive dressing. Okay, the 3 points that you have written was about method of application of adhesive dressing. Adhesive mane ki? That mane inside, when you take out the wrapping paper, what will happen inside? There will be a gum that will stick. Okay, that is called adhesive. It will stick. But non-adhesive means it can come in the form of rolls, ROLLS rolls. Okay, dressing, gauze pads. So write down methods of application of non-adhesive dressing. Non-adhesive dressing. Methods of application of non-adhesive dressing. Number 1, sterile ready-made dressing. Sterile, S-T-E-R-I-L-E. Sterile mane clean, okay? Sterile ready-made dressing. Sterile ready-made dressing. Put a dash. This consists of layers of gauze. This consists, T-H-I-S, this consists, C-O-N-S-I-S-T. This consists of layers of gauze, L-A-Y-E-R, layers of gauze, covered by a pad, of wool.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is clear.
Now is it okay? This consists of layers of gauze covered by a pad of cotton. By a pad of cotton wool. By a pad of cotton wool.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Even now,
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Ma'am, I also can't hear anything.
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Is it okay now? Am I audible?
No, ma'am.
Am I audible? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Nitya, no. I will share. Is it okay now?
Not properly, ma'am.
I'm trying to adjust the signal, but network is very, very bad these days. তোমালোকৰ same problem হৈ আছে ন network problem?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
এইদিনা বহুত network বেয়া। সেই কাৰণে I gave you one new link, right? Because of my network issues, I need to join from two phones, mobile phone or laptop. Is it okay now, Surojit?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's better.
Acha,
Yes.
acha.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ki likhisila? A method of application of non-adhesive dressing, right? So the first point is sterile ready-made dressing. Sterile ready-made dressing. Likhisane? Then put a dash and write. This consists of layers of gauze. This consists of layers of gauze. G-A-U-Z-E, gauze. Covered by a pad. Covered by a pad, PAD pad. Covered by a pad of cotton wool. Covered by a pad of cotton wool. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton wool. W-O-O-L, wool. With attached roller bandage. With attached roller bandage. With attached roller bandage. R-O-L-L-E-R, roller bandage. To keep it in position. To keep it in position. So inside the gauze, okay, gauze ta eta kapur hoy no. So inside the gauze, what you will get? You will have to put cotton wool. Cotton or uporon, you will have to make it as in the form of a pad, PAD pad. Okay, it should look like a pad, gauze, but inside there will be cotton wool. Okay. Then full stop. The dressing is sealed in. The dressing is sealed in protective covering. The dressing is sealed in protective covering and is available in different size. And is available in different sizes. S-I-Z-E-S. And is found in and is sealed in protective covering and is available in different sizes. S-I-Z-E-S, sizes. Full stop. Tarpisot you write. Method of application. Tarpisot, method of application. I will give you all this, okay? Tomorrow my WhatsApp or video, you have to do the diagrams. You have to akibo lagibo pictures. Method of application. Number 1, remove outer and inner wrapping. Remove outer and inner wrapping. Remove outer and inner wrapping. W-R-A-P-P-I-N-G. Remove outer and inner wrapping. Number 2, unwind the bandage. Number 2, unwind the bandage. Unwind, U-N-W-I-N-D. Unwind the bandage, B-A-N-D-A-G-E. Unwind the bandage and open the dressing. Unwind the bandage and open the dressing. D-R-E-S-S-I-N-G, dressing. Episode number 3, place the dressing on the wound. Place the dressing. Place the dressing, D-R-E-S-S-I-G. Place the dressing on the wound. Place the dressing on the wound with gauze, G-A-U-Z-E, gauze, side down. With gauze, side down, S-I-D-E, side down, D-O-W-N, down. Place the dressing on the wound with gauze, side down. The last point you write, number 4, bandage firmly until the pad is covered. Bandage firmly, F-I-R-M-L-Y. Means you will have to do the bandaging well. Okay, it should be tight. Not too tight. If you will do it too tight, what will happen? It will stop circulation. Okay, neither it should be too loose nor too tight. Bandage firmly until the pad is covered. PAD pad is covered. C-O-V-E-R-E-D, covered. Okay, I will share with you one screen. Are you able to see the screen?
No, ma'am.
Nah.
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Bye.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes,
Again. Now?
Yes, ma'am. I said.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it tomar gauze hoy. This is the gauze. G-A-U-Z-E, gauze. Mar likhisa ase gauze. So this is the gauze. Okay? This is dressing. Write down. Dressing aru etu tinita points likha. It is a sterilized cloth pad or similar fabric used to cover an injured body part, comma, usually a wound. To cover the wound, the gauze pad is used. Okay. It is sometimes called a compress. Why compress? Because it used to stick in one position. It does not move. Okay. It is not like silk kapur nisna nohoy. It is a bit rough. Any clean cloth or gauze pad can be used to dress wounds in times of emergency. And in case of any emergency, any safa kapur, nohole gauze pad, itu gauze hoy. Okay, and inside the gauze, tumaroko yat bitorot cotton. You can put cotton inside this gauze pad, and it will look like a pad, PAD pad. Okay, so you can use this in any kind of wound. See this man, itu manutu suma. Inside cotton ase, bahirot gauze ase, and he is covering the wound. He is covering in that way. Okay, so this is a simple dressing. Simple dressing to cover wound. W-O-U-N-D, wound. Holne, finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Darshana, whole, okay. Into diagram to akbo nalage, okay? You don't need to draw these diagrams. This is just for your knowledge. In order to show you, I just took this image. Okay, kintu itu akibo nalage. I will give you the pictures. Okay, whatever you have to draw, I will give you the pictures. Okay, so this is all about your dressing. Okay, and about bandaging, we will discuss in the next class. Okay, dressing and bandaging hoy no. So dressing is still here. Some of the pictures I will give you to Akilwa fast in your practical copy. Next class I will talk about bandaging. Okay, etia tomorrow ako join kora. I will take PSM practicals. Class ase niki etia Surojit?
No. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No class etia?
No.
So now you will meet, and then we will start with PSM practical. PSM practical vital sign. PSM practical vital signs on temperature whole niki. Is it done? Temperature.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Pulse.
Pulse. হৈছে অলপ, ma'am.
আচ্ছা complete হোৱা নাই নেকি?
নাই হোৱা।
আচ্ছা। Okay. Okay, you join the class. Okay, you can leave the meeting now and join the class again. In the next class, I will take PSM practicals. Huh?
Ma'am, attendance.
Attendance. Give me the attendance. Okay. Beleg CR ase niki DOT, DID, DDIT, DPT. You can collect the attendance and give it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Join kora ako.
Ako join kora. Join.